Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these corner floating shelves. Really nice. It gives a nice, look to your room. It's perfect. They fit a lot of stuff on there, which is nice. You can do it just like I have it, or you can do them all the same, the same way if you want. There's also other ways that you can hang. You can hang these brackets going up if you like. Different scenarios. I mean, they're great. Again, they're really well made and they hold a lot of weight, which is great. It's held on really nice on, 2 screws plus the 2 screws on top. It holds onto the shelf. But again, overall, great product. I love it. It looks super nice. And you can, again, do it different ways if you'd like, or put 2 here, 2 over there, however you want. So overall, great product, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.